dear ones. Yesterday we launched Aumism lessons online, being Guru Purnami. First time after many years, all the practices are totally put in a documented fashion so that they are available for the world and for the future generations. The point, we started these online lessons, and the objectives of Aumism is that right from my pre-Himalayan life, when I was in the US and all, I used to see so many people, young people, modern people, including CEOs, who have the urge of following the spirituality and knowing the truth and all these things. But they are always scared about one losing life. They have some opinions that if they get into the serious practices of spirituality, they might end up losing their families, children and all, and also career and all. And the second thing is, they are scared of approaching any other spiritual ashrams and things like that because of the politics and the kind of money that flows there and all these things. Because of that Maya which is there, they are they are dejected by such activities of ashrams and all. And in fact that's true. Wherever you go, whatever the spiritual ashrams you go, see, maybe the Guru is realized one, but all the people who gather there, everybody carries their own ingredients such as lust, greed, jealousy and all these things. So when all the people gather at such places, what happens is they interact with each other, and somebody shows off the knowledge. If you go there, somebody shows off the knowledge to you. If you go there, somebody will ask you to sit behind all the lines. They say, you must have paid less, so you should sit in the back row. Somebody who pays more, they will sit in the front row. And there are so many other politics go there. Some other people who come there, they show off their knowledge as if they have realized once. They are as if they are realized ones. And then many other politics take place at the place of eating food and all these things. These things, cannot be controlled by the Guru there, because these things shuffle. The gunas means the traits always shuffle. So it cannot be actually stopped. So there is no point in meeting various people. In fact, everybody carries a soft heart, and in the pursuit of spirituality they get much softer. And when they go meet these people, because of the situations and the way they talk and all, they get hurt so easily. And then they will start losing interest in spirituality itself. So such people I have found, so many people I have found. But then, the urge for the search of truth doesn't end in them. How much ever they earn, some dissatisfaction, some unsatisfaction, some thirst is there inside. So that thirst, they are suppressing because of all these things, and then they are killing that thirst totally. So the objectives of Aumism is that such people, this kind of people, they can actually get the access to the supernatural power or Guru. Guru himself, God himself comes as Guru in the formless fashion. So in the Aumism lessons, you get access to this Guru, and then you go through various Sanatan Dharma and other Kriya, Manthan Kriya practices, which doesn't actually demand you to come to me. I don't tell everyone that you should fall on my feet and all these things. All these are not required. Here you just connect to the supernatural power, you practice the path, sit at home, you don't have to go to any ashrams, you don't have to come to me or dance around me or go to any physical places and all. You go to offices, you be happy with your families and children, and whenever you have time you can access the lessons, practice those lessons, chant the mantras and other things, kriyas and all which are given. And especially this Manthan Kriya, as I told you, this is the Kriya of divine energies of all the cosmos. The Kriyas always happen, and then they evolve your soul much faster than any other technology today available on the earth. That's one thing. And the second thing is, it's a technology that works all the time, 24 hours around you. So cutting the traits, cutting the karma and all happen naturally. At the same time, from the day one, because especially in the Kundalini yoga and all, when the Kundalini starts awakening, people start losing interest in their lives and then careers and all these things. So all those problems wouldn't be here, because various other cosmic energies and all will help you to not to have such kind of lethargy in the life. So you will be given importance right from the day one about the prosperity, happiness and peace. Prosperity especially is given more importance right from the day one here in the lessons, and then it starts happening from the first 60 days itself. You will start experiencing the prosperity in the life, and then naturally based on the interest, the soul interest and all, you will be connected to the required probably business opportunities or probably careers. Many other opportunities will naturally open, and you will start evolving in your life spiritually plus also materialistically. And here you don't have to come to me, you don't have to fall on the feet, do and all those monkey businesses are not required here. You just stay at home, practice, you follow the supernatural power, and then be happy. And then you experience the soul thirst. As you start advancing, you will start experiencing the cosmic energies, so many divine cosmic energies, and your evolution itself you will be able to experience. You don't have to be in dark. By soul and by mind, you will start experiencing, and you will start having the Guru within here. In this path, the Guru will stay here in the Kundalini as Kundalini, and he will start the supernatural power, not me, this body. The supernatural power will be within you as Guru, and then he will start communicating with you and then giving you the directions, and you live your life happily, and then pursue the path of spirituality. So materialistically and also in terms of spirituality, you will be very happy. Because of this new generation of people, people who are not, though they have the interest in spirituality, because they are not able to advance, the nature as a holistic womb is falling behind from its advancement. See, it's like you feel thirst. Imagine if you don't have water, what will happen? Your system basically will get hurt. So this nature is basically the system, it's the body, the system. And if you are not able to experience the thirst, obviously the nature gets hurt. If you stop your soul evolution, the soul evolution needs to happen involuntarily and effortlessly. Here because because you all are busy people, you go to offices and all, you deal with so many chaotic situations in businesses and careers and all, so you will not even find probably some kind of peace to get into the meditation and all these things. So meditation is always a kind of wonder mark for such busy people. But here the kind of practices which are given, the cosmic energies and all, quickly help you, how much ever the busiest day you would have, if you just sit and then practice the kriyas for about in about 5 minutes itself, your consciousness will go to the higher planes and you will start experiencing the peace plus happiness and all within. So this is actually it happens, the total yoga here happens, the yogic practices, how to it's like how to do the karma. No one knows this. You may do some unwantedly or without knowing, you get into some activity and you get trapped in the karma that will get you bigger pains in future. So what happens is, with the directions within from the guru and the technology around, the nature's technology working around you, always will protect you from not doing such bad activities, such kind of involuntary way of and you will also have the knowledge from within, whether to do that work or not, get into that karma or not. You will have such kind of directions coming from within. So involuntarily and effortlessly, without any effort, not like you don't have to go to Himalayas and meditate for ages and ages together to know all these, but involuntarily, because of the guru sitting, the supernatural power being in you, you involuntarily and effortlessly, your spiritual evolution and also materialistic evolution will happen. Many more situations in life you will experience as if some energy is running good things around my life and protecting me and safeguarding me to pursue my spiritual path, at the same time not to get into any bad things in my life. That energy is protecting me and safeguarding me and guiding. That kind of experience you will start having from within. So this is the path of Aamism. The lessons are available online. Globally, several people have started accessing the lessons. If you are interested, you can take up. This is how it is going to be. It's totally a 3 years course. 3 years course. By the end of the third year, what will happen is, because 3 years are required because you are very busy. You cannot give complete dedication to the spiritual path because you are busy going to the offices and all. It's a slow process. So at the end of the 3 year, the whole technology, it's like you take home, sit at home, you plus your wife, or you and your husband practice together, sit at home. The guru will be at your home and you don't have to go anywhere. You will feel the energy in your house within you, and you both can practice the path in such a way that the male can become Shiva and then the female can become Shakti. Such kind of path this is. You can experience those energies within you by the end, from the third year onwards. And this path has got, in the first year itself, you will be able to see somewhere around 30 to 35 lessons in the first 1 year itself, plus some 20 plus kriyas, involuntary technique, kriyas that will launch you into involuntary, high level involuntary kriyas. Those kind of, plus many videos, video based directions you will find in the lessons, plus audio files and all you will find to practice by just sitting at home. And this entire path is not just non-structured spirituality, non-structured spirituality. It is a structured one that comes from Vedas and Sanatana Dharma practices. Sanatana Dharma practices. You don't find any. You will find all the things related to only Vedas and Sanatana Dharma. Nothing else you will find here. If you are interested to take up the lessons, I will give you a link here in the video. You can go to that page and then you can send a message to the given mobile number, or probably you can send email, and from there Aumism will come in touch with you and then help you get into the lessons. Namaste.